Okay, hey guys, good morning. So I'm going to show you how to make coffee without a coffee pot. My French press actually just broke, and when I lived in Chicago and I didn't have room on my counter for a coffee pot, this is actually how I made coffee, and it's really good. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some coffee grounds, not the beans, like actually grounded, obviously a cup and whatever you want in there, hot water, and then a little pot like this. You can use a bigger pot if you want, but I feel like when you use a smaller pot, the coffee is more concentrated, and literally you just take the hot water and you pour it in here like that. And then what you do is you mix it up. Let's get a spoon. You mix it like this. And then it's cool because actually the coffee grounds go to the bottom for you. That's why this isn't like annoying. Just like that. And you can see that all the coffee grounds are kind of falling to the bottom. And give it a second. It's not going to be like immediate. But for the most part, they're all down there. And then you take a ladle of some kind. Yeah, we're good. Take a ladle, and you literally just ladle the coffee in to your cup. And you can see how nice that turned out. There's still some grounds in there. Typically I let it set a little bit longer, but yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, we're good now. Just get those grounds off there first. There we go. And you just pour it in. Just like that. And I think the proper term for this is cowboy coffee. But yeah, super simple, super easy. Good luck. Sorry your coffee pot broke or your French press broke like mine did. I'll probably go buy one or order one from Amazon. But yeah, this is it.